Roenik is a Swedish band formed in late 1999 by frontman and guitarist Niels Nankler and former bass player Joel Magnusson, who had known each other from birth. Jonas Lundberg, guitar backing vocals, Jonas Wållberg, keyboard, and Christian Titus, drums, joined up with the two childhood friends in high school. Later, John London replaced Joel Magnusson as the band's bass player.Roenik self-released the EP Unique in 2006 with a single called We Could Have Been. The single held place 19 for 2 weeks on the Swedishchart, Hitlistan, in February 2006. Shortly thereafter, they traveled to London to start a recording of their first full-length album with producer-mixer Yoad Nevo, perhaps best known for his work with Bryan Adams, Girls Aloud and Sugababes, but also associated with acts like Air, Pet Shop Boys, Gahan and Sophie Ellis-Bextor. During the on-off recording of their debut album, the band continued to promote themselves in their home country. Niels were no stranger to political activism after being arrested for occupying the closing youth center soon to become casino in central Gothenburg 1997. Their commitment, absolutely zero tolerance for the establishment, and a lack of venues in the Gothenburg area lead to a great marketing campaign. The band starting guerrilla gigging at hotels, libraries and retail shops to amazing responses. References: